on the board. Don't allow the other couple to see what you're writing. Alright? 2, you're going to reveal it only when we ask you to reveal what you have written on the board. 3, you cannot use Google, you cannot use the internet, you cannot use your phone, you cannot ask anybody anything. The only person you can correspond with is your partner that is sitting beside you. So Cassandra here is my girl, and she is going to be cueing you on when to flip over your board. You have 30 seconds to write the answer on your board. Alright? So after that 30 seconds, she's a timekeeper as well. After that 30 seconds, she asks you to flip over, and then we'll tell you the answer and we'll tally your points. Alright? So for every correct answer you get 1 point. The person with the most points at the end of the game wins. Hey guys, it's your girl Delta. I'm here in Uptown Mondays with the JAHJAH Foundation crew. Yeah, la 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 la. We're there in Jamaica and we're happy to be here. We are promoting HIV awareness and prevention. Alright? So I have beside me my co-host, Dr. Coombs, which is a, dancer enthusiast. Big up yourself, Dr. Coombs.
Yo, right now we big up Uptown Mondays. I want to say, yo, clean and straight. You see me? Dr. Coombs, the boat. I want to say, yeah, ready.
Alright, thank you. Beside me, I also have my girl Cassandra, which is going to be doing our timekeeping today. So what we're doing today, we're doing a game show, right? And we want to know, persons in the dancehall, what do they know about HIV, the prevention, right? And even if they get it, how it is that they can go about treating themselves. What's your name? First name?
Shania.
Ricardo.
We have couple number 2.
Trevor.
Ebony.
Couple number 3.
Michael.
Sparkle.
All right, sweet. Sparkle. All right, so guys, are you ready? So we're going to start with the first question. All right, so I want you to listen up carefully. All right, what HIV mean? A, is it human immediate virus? B, is it human immunodeficiency virus? C, is it hypertensive intermediate virus? 30 seconds on the clock, guys.
All right, that's 30 seconds.
All right, so that's 30 seconds. Guys, flip over your boards for me, please. Flip over your boards. All right, sweet. So the answer is B, and everybody got it right. La, 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 la.
All right, people, guess what? Reach a question number few. You see me? Yeah, man. Question number few. Which of the following does not contain HIV? Which of the following does not contain HIV? A, sweat. B, blood. C, breast milk.
Are you ready to reveal your answers? All right, guys, flip over the board. Let me see. Flip over the board, man. All right, so A is correct. So sweat is the only one of them. So wait, I saw the bright? Aye, I saw the bright?
So people, remember, HIV is not in sweat. You see me? So you can always, hug up somebody with sweat on them things, but you can't get HIV like that. You understand? Yeah.
So the next question, guys, listen up for me. Couple number 1, we want to know attention, yeah? So, we say we want to prevent HIV, Zin, but HIV is not the only STI out there. So, if it is that we want to prevent HIV and other STIs, how many times can we use the same condom? How many times can we use the same condom? A, 1 time. B, 3 times. C, none at all. So again, how many times can we reuse the same condom? A, 1 time. B, 3 times. And C, none at all. Alright, so guys, flip over your board. Let me see.
Ta-ta-na-na! Yo! People.
Right. So
condom.
People, remember you can't reuse condom. You can't reuse condom. Yeah, but you can't reuse it one time. You understand me? So remember, that's the point where I make clear. You cannot reuse a condom, people. You see me? One time a condom for use, it can't reuse none at all. Question number 4. How many new cases of HIV occurred in Jamaica last year? How much people get HIV last year? Yeah, of HIV last year, 2018. Ready? A, 200. B, 800. C, 1200. Yo! People game at it. I tell you the truth, people.
Why you say that one there, I couldn't bring Dr. Coombs?
Them now go get that one, I tell you that.
No man, me think them bright.
No,
me think
man.
them bright. Yeah man.
No man, them now go get it, man.
Yeah man, me think so. Alright guys, your time's up. Reveal your boards. Let me see your boards. Reveal your board. Oh, you can't look at people answer. Alright. Couple number 2 got it right. C is the answer. People, last year in 2018, there were 1,200 reported cases of HIV. That's 1,200 new cases of HIV. Right now, Jamaica is the only island in the Caribbean that has so many new cases of HIV. And that's why what we're doing today, tonight, right now in Uptown Mondays is extremely, supremely important, guys. All right? So one more statistical question. Zane, we want to know how much you read in the newspaper because this actually came out in the Gleaner recently. To be exact, 3 days ago. We want to find out how it is that how much you read the newspaper, how much you tune into the news, how much you pay attention to what's happening in Jamaica currently, right? So this is something that came out in a Gleaner article 3 days ago, and we're going to ask about it because we feel like we need to read on the paper. You see me? All right. So here it is. What % of people in Jamaica are currently living with HIV and don't know? So question again. What % of people in Jamaica are living with HIV and do not know? A, 5%, B, 16%, and C, 23%.
All right, everybody, that's the end. What is the answer? After 3, you're going to reveal your board. 3, 2, 1. Turn over. Let me see what you have, brother. Let me see what you have. All right. Why? The answer is actually B. 16% of Jamaica have HIV and them don't know. Where in Jamaica can you get tested? Where in Jamaica can you get tested for HIV? A, Jamaica AIDS Support for Life Office. B, Public Health Center. Or C, Public Hospital. Or D, all of the above. All right, guys, after 3, you're going to reveal the board. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, very good, everybody. The answer is all of the above.
Guys, that's the end of the game show, right? So we're going to tally all the answers now to reveal who is the winner, all right? But we want you to sit tight, all right? So Dr. Coombs is going to join me here, and Dr. Coombs,
Yeah,
I mean, HIV is something that is prevalent in Jamaica. We're trying to stamp it out, right? That's why we're here, is stamping out HIV. So just tell us a little bit more about the prevention of HIV. How can people in the dance hall, anywhere else, prevent themselves from getting HIV?
Yeah, man, people, watch out now. You don't know, say Dr. Coombs there talk to you again. I'm going to tell you, say, yo, to prevent HIV, you always have to use a condom, you see me? Use a condom every time. That's what we are trying to preach to everybody, you see me? Because that's the best way to prevent HIV. You see me, people? Using a condom is very important. Also, try to know your status. So you need to find out if you're HIV positive or negative. If you're HIV positive or negative, very important. And remember, if you're exposed, you have to test yourself now and test yourself 3 months later. You see me? Yeah, very important. You hear what I say, people? So remember, get tested. Getting tested is very important. You need to know your status. And also remember, use a condom. You see me? Big up on yourself. Yeah, out.
Alright, thanks, Dr. Coombs. Another reminder, guys, if it is that you even do get HIV, it is not the end of your life. It's not a death sentence, guys. You have antiretrovirals that you can take. Get on your meds and take them every day because you want to live every day. And it's as simple as that, guys. You can have normal lives. Now, guys, back to the winners. Guess who win? Guess who win? Guess who win? Just take a while, guys. So, couple number 2 actually got the most points. Give it up for couple number 2. Woo! But guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Everybody win the phone. Kawa. Everybody participate. So, all I know get to the phone. That's not sweet.
Yeah, man.
All I know get to the phone. Alright, guys. Every couple. Alright, guys. So we're just going to make the presentations. Dr. Dixon, who is the CEO of our foundation, and Dr. Coombs is going to make the presentations with the couples. Alright?